Thinking about getting a robot vacuum? Here's what you need to know to avoid common mistakes. First, mapping versus random navigation. Cheap models move randomly, missing spots and taking longer to clean. For better efficiency, look for one with LiDAR or camera-based mapping that learns your home's layout. Next, suction power matters. Measured in pascals PA, 2,500 pascals or higher is ideal for carpets and pet hair. Lower-powered vacuums work fine for light dust and hard floors. Battery life is key. A good robot vacuum should last at least 90 minutes per charge to clean multiple rooms. Don't forget about dustbin size and maintenance. A small dustbin fills up quickly, needing frequent emptying. Consider a self-emptying model if you want low maintenance. Finally, app control and smart features. Wi-Fi-enabled models let you schedule cleanings and control your vacuum remotely. If smart features aren't a priority, a basic model might save you money. The right robot vacuum can save you time and effort. Just avoid these common mistakes. Check the video description for top-rated options and the best deals.